This video shows how to buy shares of Pantheon International. Pantheon International is a UK-listed investment trust focused on private equity, traded on LSE PLC under the ticker PIN.L, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy PIN.L, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box to find the company by name or ticker, then enter PIN.L to locate the exact listing. Confirm you have selected the LSE PLC quote to ensure it is the correct Pantheon International share. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and see the price chart to check historical movement. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the correct security before proceeding. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled to execute when it reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the transaction completes. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and the soft link to eToro is provided in the description below.